leaders, I want to do an update on the auto tuning bot. We're making some progress. I'm now working on the core part of the algorithm. I made all the connections. I'm just going to show you how we extract and do a back test for now, and kind of just initialize all the variables before we start to manipulate the variables within the core algorithm on how we do this. Okay, so I'm going to switch over, show it to you. All right, so I'm just going to pick an inactive one that's not live right now, so I can kind of test this on. Alright, so basically, this is it right here, the optimize Madhatter settings. So I'm going to go ahead and run this, and what it's going to do is going to automatically, do a back test real quick, pull some initial data, and run it on 2 week. So it's now pulling the ROI. It then has extracted all the settings, and it's done. So I'm going to show you the debugger on this. So it's pulled the ROI right there. It's initialized all the variables. So if I go over here, it should match up. Alright, right over here. Alright, so there it is. The MACD signals, the stop loss, minimum price to sell, minimum price to buy, 0. It should all RSI level 70. See here. There it is. And 14, 28 for MACD fast. What else? MACD slow is 14. So it all matches up pretty good. So I got all the variables I need, and we got the bot outputs. These are all lists that we've kind of placed together. And here's the information of all the settings that was pulled out of it automatically. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do is start to manipulate the inputs, and then run it through a loop so that it completely back test, pull information, compare it, back test, pull information, compare it, back test, over and over while it hits every single one of these guys, while improving the ROI at the same time. This is pretty much done. I kind of show you a quick part of my algorithm here. Where is it? Perturb and optimize. Alright, so there it is. It's quite lengthy. I know there's some errors when I first ran this thing. It was I had an infinite loop somewhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of all these cycles here to clean things up, make sure it works, and I'll post another update on it. So it's pretty much done. I just gotta run it through and kind of clean up the kinks. So I'm really excited on getting this going. I think, I'm pretty sure by the end of the week it'll be ready to go, and then I will then make sure it's working and doing its best. And I think in another week, I will probably release it to my advanced bot members to test it out. Uh, because they are already in and supporting me on doing this, they're going to be able to benefit on the charter part. And once it's officially ready, I will then probably pull it out for future members, because it was just more like a freebie. It wasn't part of the original membership plan, uh, but then you'll be getting settings from me that I create through a spreadsheet, which is what you guys are already getting in the VIP group. So if you guys want to take advantage of this now and support me in the early stages and be able to benefit from having the software, um, even after I pull it off, if you got in already, then that's the privilege for getting there now and supporting me on this project. Now, after it's all officially done and it's ready to go, I will then, you know, eventually make it into a paid upgrade, different tiers and whatnot too. Okay, so if you are interested in supporting me on this project right now, join me in the Wolfpack VIP group, and you'll be able to benefit in as a early bird. Is it early bird VIP member or charter member, or the privilege of just supporting me in this project, is just progressing through, and also be able to benefit you on your Haas bot setups too. in the meantime, and you'll probably be entitled to some discounts just to be able to get it early. But as it progresses, as it starts to build and the community gets more and more, you'll be able to lock in those savings as an early member. So the link's below. If you're not a member yet, click on it, join the VIP group, and then upgrade to the advanced. And we'll go from there. And thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate your help. Thank you so much, and continue being a pack leader, protecting families by protecting the pack. And I hope that we all are able to stay home with our kids, instill values for them, and be there for them. Thank you. Have a good one.